kind of meat going on. She wants to cook Nigerian jollof. Let me see how you're gonna do it. Oh, nice. Don't worry. How far now? Video, what's wrong? What's wrong? The one and only, the one and only, the one and only. Oh, baby! The camera is not doing justice to it. It's so big. Really?
I'm telling you.
Oh boy. Ah. Okay. So like this one, how much? But like how much? 250k.
Yes.
Because they are ready to cross.
Yes.
How old?
Maybe 6 months.
6 months.
Going to 6 months.
How much are these ones? Each?
Yes.
For breeders, have you? So we got 2 pigs, and after burning it, then we're about to cut them. Kind of meat going on. Oh. She wants to cook Nigerian jollof. Wow, Nigerian jollof. This is catfish, so we have catfish, we have pork, lots of it. Can you hear the jollof rice singing? When you cook jollof rice with wood, it's more delicious than the one you cook with gas. Damn! Nigerian jollof rice prepared by Hayo. If you like, say the compound is there, to say everywhere is there. I don't care.
That's not the reason. The compound is there.
This is where I keep my rabbits And if you're interested, you can come and buy rabbit. We have the hyena, we have the angora. Here are the angora rabbits, the beautiful hyena. Wow. Nigerian jollof. Do you want to toy what? Are you toying it what?
I'm toying it what?
And check this out. This is the leaf we are going to use in wrapping the eba. Natural plate. Oh, this is jollof rice. Steaming jollof rice. Oh my god.
Now this is the final step.
So there are stages to this, right? Final step, the last stage. And now we can eat, right?
And that's Nigerian jollof for you. Everybody.
This is garlic. Ooh,
These are like chefs.
it's chefy. Wow. So we have a bar here. Let me see how you're gonna do it. Oh, it's nice. We're about to start boiling this. We're going to cook this for a while now. We're going to cook this for a while and then fry it up.
Calm down,
Don't worry. How far now? DJ, what's wrong? Just take now. You two take. Have you given them enough? Two. No. Give them more, please. Give them more. Guys are still going to eat.
FM is ready to eat everything. I mean, like tomorrow. No worries, big plenty. We have enough. The spice is okay.
There's no love in sharing this one.
There's chance to be good. Man, close it down, boy. Let me first taste it for you. It came late.
I did not came late. She said this is the right time.
Yes.
Hello, this is your mission. It's your mission. What should I call it again? This is dentitious. I love it. I love it. What else again?
One of them is yours.
Am I what?
It's done. Check it out. You guys just got this one. After this, then we'll be waiting for another round. Someone said this thing is going to swell up, and it did. Wow. It's Palash.
And this is the
Alasi.
actor. This is the actor.
Actor. Who is the boss?
And the good.
Have you tasted it?
Very, very okay.
Very okay.
Yeah.
There's still another one to be cool.
Oh. You haven't just started, man. Damn.
Hey, baby girl. Hey, mama. I want that outfit. Ṣé ètò ń tọ́lá ní kò fídà? Má ṣọ́ abẹ́ wá yán o. Má kí ní ìgbóná, ó ń gbóná mọ́ mi lẹ́kì. Wá jà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ lóyìn tó bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ mọ́ ẹ̀ ń dewé.
Wọ́n ló máa ṣá tó máa fi smooth. Ẹnu ẹ̀ tó ń warọ́ fún ẹ̀yà lọ ṣá.
Lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan mi lẹ́kì máa ṣe.
This is Omi Obe. Yemi was wrong.
Àwa la ṣe débi.
Adeola.
Àwa ta role.
Adeola. Adeola is preparing amala. Open it. Whoa, this is Asun. Asun made by the one and only. Yabe Kilo.
Do my own video too.
Asun made by the fake chef. The one and only. Oh, baby. No. You never go. No. Pork and pork. Pola. Adventure of Jazzy. Good girl. The one and only. One day hunter. Mr. Cassis.